Sure thing, in English, simple yet powerful. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we'll dive into a phrase you've likely heard in movies, TV shows, or from English speakers. It's short, it's common, and it's very versatile. The phrase is, sure thing. So, what does it really mean and how can you use it in your daily English conversations? Let's explore together. Sure thing is an informal way of saying certainly or definitely. It's used to respond positively to a request or to confirm that something is true or will happen. It's very similar to saying yes, but with an added layer of assurance or enthusiasm. For example, Q, can you email me the report? A, sure thing. In this scenario, sure thing means that the person will definitely email the report. When to use it? You can use sure thing in informal settings, such as conversations with friends, family, or colleagues you have a casual relationship with. It's not typically used in formal contexts. How to use it? As a confirmation, when someone asks if you can do something, and you want to confirm that you can. As an agreement, when you agree with someone's suggestion or opinion. As an assurance, when you want to reassure someone that something will be done. What to keep in mind? Because sure thing is informal, you might not want to use it in serious or very formal situations. It can sometimes be perceived as overly casual or laid back, so consider your audience when using it. While sure thing is quite common, there are several other expressions that carry a similar meaning. Knowing these can enrich your vocabulary and help you understand different nuances in English. Absolutely, certainly, of course, definitely. Each of these can be used in a similar way, but the tone and level of formality might vary. And that wraps up our look at the phrase, sure thing. Remember, it's a casual yet affirmative way to respond to someone. We hope this video has been informative and has given you more confidence in using sure thing in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be sure to sound like a native in no time. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.